Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you something really cool. How people are making money online just by sharing their thoughts. It's called yapping and it's happening on a platform called Kaito. You don't need to trade or invest. You just talk about what you know about the project and you actually get rewarded for it. Let me break it down for you. Let me explain what yapping is. Yapping is basically sharing your opinion, answering questions, or joining conversation on the Kaito platform, just like how you reply to tweets or comments under a post. But this time around, you actually get points and also airdrops for doing that. So, how are people making money from yapping? Every time you yap on Kaito, if your post is helpful and gets engagement, so you earn points. These points can qualify you for rewards and airdrops from projects you are talking about. So some users have made hundreds of dollars just by yapping consistently, joining early campaigns, and also helping others with smart answers. So that's why I've decided to make this video so we can join the moving train. So if you have ever shared your thoughts online for free, now is your chance to get paid for it. Let me show you how to get started step by step. So let's get into it. Some people actually said it's only influencers that get paid by yapping, but this is actually false. And this is one of the reasons why I didn't start yapping on time. The truth is that I've seen people with less than 100 followers on Twitter make cool money from yapping. Stick with me till the end. I'm going to show you how you can start doing this to make money. If content like this is helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. What is Kaito? Kaito is a Web3 platform where you can get rewarded for sharing your knowledge or opinions, especially about crypto, AI, and tech. So instead of just scrolling and commenting for free like on Twitter, Kaito pays you for being smart and helpful. The more value you add, the more you earn. So how do you get started? The first thing you need to do is to go to the website. I'll be leaving the link in the description so you don't copy the wrong one. I've actually created an account, but I logged out for the sake of these tutorials. So I'll just head to the site. Once you click on the site, the first thing you need to do is to go to the website. First, open your browser, go to yaps.kaito.ai. This is the main platform where all the yapping happens. I'll be leaving the link in the description, so you do well to check it. So after you've opened the website, please make sure not to click on the wrong link. After opening the website, this step two. The next thing you need to do is to click on sign in. So at the top right corner of your screen, you will see a button that says sign in. You click this human profile icon here. Once you click on that, you will see sign in. You touch sign in, then you will need to connect your Twitter account for this. So you need to also authorize. Then click on Twitter to sign in. Then make sure to authorize. Verifying connection to Twitter. Just a few moments more. Successful. Because this is not my first time, I'm not signing up now. I've signed up before. But as a new user, once you sign up and you authorize, you will be asked to you will see your social card, then save it, then share the link to Twitter. Once you share that, then you come back to your account. So once you are signed in, find out the project you want to start yapping about to get eligible for their airdrops. So so the next thing you need to do is to click on this menu option here. Once you click on it, you will see Yappa's leaderboard, Yappa leaderboards. So touch it. Once it opens, you will see pre-TGE and post-TGE. This pre-TGE is for projects that are yet to launch, while post-TGE is for projects that have launched, but you can still talk about them for their airdrops. So let me open. These are projects under pre-TGE. And when you touch post-TGE, you see projects that are under post-TGE. All these ones, they already launched their tokens. So, but let's go to pre-TGE. So under the pre-TGE, let's touch the Cysic, this project. Let's just go through it. Then let's look at the top 10 leaders here. When you scroll down, you can see these are top yappers on this Cysic project. Let's just pick one of them. Let's pick this number 6. Let's open the profile. Then once you open it like this, just touch this place. It will redirect you to the person's Twitter. You can see this person is just with 452 followers on Twitter, and he's topping number 6 on the leaderboard. Okay. Okay. You can see the translation here. Basic testnet running node requirements. Provider needs this. So you can see how he's actually talking about the project. This person has lower followers. So you see he doesn't have much followers. And then he's topping number 6 on the leaderboard. I'm not saying you should copy him. What I'm only saying is that you should look and see how he's doing it, so you will know how to be able to yap on your own. The last person we just check is this number 6. You can also check the first person out, second person out, third person. Anybody you just want to check out to see how they are doing it to climb this leaderboard. So the projects you actually want to yap on, try to check the top leaders to see how they are doing it. You can also try to engage on their posts. That will also make you to climb the leaderboard. Check other accounts. Don't be scared about your current followers. You don't have any excuse not to start. Just start first. The airdrop is not for only top users. Other users that are not at the top get airdrops too. Just that the higher your rank, the higher your airdrop allocation. So try to follow some of all these big accounts yapping on the same project you chose to yap. So comment on their posts related to the project you are yapping on. This can also make you to climb the leaderboard, especially the top 10 and top 20s. So join me, let's make this money together. Okay, let me give you some tips. If a project has too much hype, it might be difficult for you to climb the leaderboard because people will be much and you'll be competing with influencers. So try to diversify on projects. I won't advise you to focus on one. So I want to actually start yapping on this project. The first one, Cysic, then the second one, Anoma. Yes, this second one, Anoma. Then Wanda Protocol. Where is it? You can see Warding Protocol, not Wanda. Warding Protocol. These are the projects I actually want to yap on. Then Monad is good, but competition, I won't be able to compete with them. Then Monad has too much hype and I won't be able to meet up with them. Then this project, this particular one, Susing, is actually okay, but I heard their TGE is around 28, so it's already late. So do research about the project you want to start yapping on before starting. Go to your profile. You can see my profile here. When you go to your profile, when you go to profile, like I told you, I actually registered today, so I've not started earning anything. I've not even connected my wallet. So when you go to your profile, add your wallet. This is where your airdrop will be sent to. If you check here, I have 0 smart followers. I'm actually starting today. Do you know what these smart followers mean? A smart follower is a verified Kaito user that is likely an active contributor or someone who earns points. That is someone who recognizes your content as valuable and choose to follow you. So let me say in simple terms, it's just like being followed by someone who actually knows what they are doing in Web3. Do you get? So why smart followers matters? It's also good to get smart followers. It's very important. Getting followed by knowledgeable people boosts your reputation on the platform. So, and they may influence ranking. So smart followers often have their own audience. So they help amplify your content. So that is just it about how to yap on Kaito. So join me, let's yap and make money together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips like this.